Hey guys, it's Courtney with the Kitchen Garden, and it's that time of year where it's super duper hot outside, almost unbearable to be out here if it's not the early morning or in the evening. You can see some of our zinnias are in the container over there. I've been cutting back the dead ones, or as I like to call them, the seed savers. So I'm going to show you today how to save zinnia seeds, especially if there's a variety that you really love. You don't have to keep buying the seeds from wherever you're ordering them from or whatever store you're getting them from. If you like them, and if they're not a hybrid, you can save hybrid seeds, but there's just no guarantee that they're going to be the flowers are going to be the same year after year. So I'm going to show you how to take a fully dried out zinnia flower and save the seeds in it so that you have seeds for next year. It's super easy, so let's get started. Okay guys, so what you'll need to save zinnia seeds are dried out zinnia flowers. Okay, this one came right from the plant, and I see a faint bit of color still here, but you can hear the crinkles. Okay, and then just a plastic container or an envelope wherever you're going to plan to keep your seeds, and you'll see I already have some in here. Mixed in with a little bit of the petal action, and that's totally fine. So you can either kind of just break it all apart and dump it in there and kind of pick the petals out, or you can kind of pull the petals, and you can see in some cases the seeds kind of attached to that. Okay, all right, we'll pull the petals out, toss them to the side. There we go. Okay, and we'll open this up, and there we go. So let's save those. There we go. And if you've ever opened a pack of zinnia seeds, then you'll know kind of what the flowers look like. There you go. Awesome. What you'll be kind of left with is just this part here, and you've gotten all the seeds out, and that can just go into your compost if it was a healthy zinnia. And then you will take these, and sometimes if they feel still slightly moist, then I'll let them sit out in the sun for a day or so just to fully dry them out, and then you can seal them up, put them in a cool dry place, preferably, I mean, I kind of like the dark as well, especially if you're using a clear container like this, and just save them for next year. You can also store them in the fridge or freezer. So there you guys go, how to save zinnia seed.